Today is the 24th of December. It's Christmas night tonight. This is the river, Chaudière. The name of the river is Chaudière. And the county where I am located right now is Chaudière, Appalachia. I think it's the extension of the Appalachian. In fact, it is, because we are bordered with Maine, where the Appalachian Trail is ending and started in the north. So here is the river. It is about 2:30, 3 o'clock. It's not too bad. The weather is minus 7, minus 8 Celsius. And this is the way the building over there in the back. That is my building where I live in over there. And there's the neighborhood, the new neighborhood. And it's pretty, yeah. Now, this is the back roads. This road is, is used by the neighborhood, and that's it. It's that from the main street over there to over there. That's it. 200 meters for a local, residents. So I wish you guys Merry Christmas, a Happy New Year. For me, is the 4th of January officially for me, because I follow the astronomical calendar. The winter solstice for me is the New Year Eve, and that's where I'm already in January, and in my mind, and in my spirit as well. Yeah, so you guys, yeah, there's the local road, over here for the residents. So soon this river will be completely frozen. Probably people will do something over here, some like winter activities, like, yeah, maybe fishing and stuff on the ice.